Hey, what's going on, everybody? Figured I'd give you guys an update as to some of the things that's been going on lately. One of the things that you can see is I got that. So I now have a auto hoist in the garage. That way I can work on this, which is my 84 Camaro Z28. I'll be pulling out this motor setup that's in it currently, which is a 427 small block Chevy. It's got 11.1:1 compression. It's got a 950 Pro Systems carb that's running E85, Aeromotive vacuum pump, electric water pump. Puts about 500 horse to the rear wheels. So that's going to be swapped out for the LS that is currently under this blanket. Some of the things we're going to be doing today is just going to be cleaning up the garage, doing some general cleaning, and getting stuff ready for working on the rest of the project. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more. One of the things I decided that I was going to do was to go through and actually replace the cord on this light. I've had this light for a while and the cord that was on it is only about 6 foot long. So I purchased a longer cord and decided that it was time to actually put it on. At this point I decided I was going to wrap up the base because it's cracked and I didn't want it to come apart the next time I use it. I should have some more parts coming in the mail for the LS project, so stay tuned for more videos on that. I should have a full rotating assembly arriving here shortly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.